Hey guys, welcome back to another video from GIS Gallery. In this video, we will be seeing how to georeference your image or toposheet using control point to control point method, or to say, image to image georeferencing. Alright then, without further ado, let's get into our video.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So last time we saw how to do georeferencing using coordinates. So this time we'll see how to do georeferencing using control points, that is image to image georeferencing. Alright. So if you see here we have two maps here, which is a Kerala map, which is not georeference. As you can see, it's falling under the African area. Now we have Kerala district 2, which is actually georeference. See, it's falling right under where Kerala is supposed to be. Alright. So using this reference map, this is using this reference image, we'll be georeferencing the non-georeferenced map or image, whatever it is. So what we'll do is we'll go to normal, we'll go to imagery, and then we'll select georeference. Alright. So last time we were doing coordinates, right? Similarly, we'll click on add control points, and you have to make sure that you first click on non-georeference image, and then set the points to georeference. You'll see what I mean. So here we have the non-georeference one, right? Yeah. So what we'll have to do is we have to place at least 4 points, control points. All right. So in here, I'm choosing this intersection, like this pixel. Alright, so whatever pixel you choose here, you must also choose the exact pixel in your georeferenced image. Okay, so this is my non-georeferenced image, and I'm choosing this exact pixel. Okay, so from point I'm clicking here, and then instead of the last time during coordinates, we'll right click and input the coordinates, right? But instead of that, we'll just go over to a georeference image, which is this one, and then locate where we chose the pixel. So I chose this pixel, right? And so I'll click the exact pixel. So a control point has been added from there to here. Now similarly, we'll have to place other control points also, other three control points. So I'll zoom to the first map. See, it has been dragged over here. So if you want to not do that, you can just disable auto apply. Alright. So I'll disable my Kerala district 2 so that I don't confuse between those two maps. So this is my non-georeferenced image. I'll go choose my second control point, and for the pixel I'm choosing it as I choose yeah I choose this pixel. Alright. Now I'll go to my but before that I'll disable the first map, enable the georeference map, zoom to left, and then choose the exact pixel from here. So I'm placing my second control point. Right? And similarly, I'll do for the other points also. So I'll go over here, choose a pixel from here. Make sure your 2 points should be from point should be the non-georeference image. Alright. So I'll choose this point here. Click on from point, disable the first one, enable georeference, zoom to left, and find out that pixel in here. And the way I choose this pixel, right? Yeah, click on that. Now for the disable this one, enable this one, go over here and choose the fourth pixel. So you should have at least 4 pixels for to georeference correctly. And I'll choose this pixel from here. Disable this one. I'm doing this so that I don't confuse between the two images. Right? And so I'm coming here. I believe I chose this. So I'm clicking here, choosing the 2 point. Now that it has been done, I can just click on apply. Now, if you disable this one, enable this, you can see that it has been georeferenced. Now, if you have any doubts, you can just swipe it. Okay, for swiping, select the layer you want to swipe on, go to raster layer, you have the swipe here. And since you have the base map, you can just swipe and see if it's coming on the right side. Right? You can see that is georeference properly. See? So using a georeference reference image, we are georeferencing a non-georeferenced input image. Right? So this is how you georeferencing. Now, if you go to georeference tab, you can save this image like last time, or you can click on save as new and save as a new TIFF image. So then yeah, output format will be TIFF, just save as and then exporting. Now if you see, it has been exported and saved. Alright. After that, then I can close georeferencing. And so, if you come over here, you can see that after I close georeferencing, my Kerala map is still in the here because why I didn't save it. I saved it as a save as new and then close. So save as new will be our this map, right? But it has been georeference. But our initial image is not georeference. If I click, if I was clicking save, then it would have been georeference properly. Alright. So this is how you do image to image georeferencing using your control points. Yeah, that's it for today.